Attention tradesmen, outdoor enthusiasts, and men circumnavigating the globe. I have found the ultimate everyday carry flashlight. It is the Klein 56074. It is 1 inch wide by ½ inch thick, a deep pocket carry with a very hardcore hat clip. It's got the green laser pointer. It's got 1, 2, 3, and turbo mode. That is 200, 400, 600, and 1000 lumens with the 150 lumen floodlight at the 90-degree angle with the magnetic base. I have had EDC items for 20 plus years now, and this is the best flashlight that I have ever found. Waterproof and USB-C rechargeable. Buy it.